Right. Hi, audience. We have Barun with us. He is from law background and he's been getting some quite good offers from like different companies to start his career in IP. So let's talk to Varun. Hi, Varun. How are you doing?
Hello, ma'am. I'm good. How are you?
I think you must be on cloud nine today. You must.
Yeah, ma'am.
So tell me which companies are looking want Varun in their company.
Currently, I've got offers from Logisys IP and Effectual Services.
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm planning now is to to go for Effectual Services right now.
Mm-hmm.
So it's been good, ma'am. The whole process was very good. Thanks to you for all the mentorship and to the whole IPTA team. Meenakshi ma'am, she also worked really hard. She made all the connections and all everything. So it was great, ma'am. Like the interview was good, everything. So
So, what was your experience when you were giving the interview of effectual services? So, you were getting nervous, or what type of questions they asked you?
uh, actually, ma'am, to be honest, before that even I have appeared for interview, but that was really horrible. The first interview that I gave, I was really nervous. I didn't even answer anything. But this effectual interview, I answered with all confidence. Like you said, what to expect in the interview and all everything. I prepared according to that. So it was very good. I guess all the questions that they asked, I mostly answered everything actually. So it
Mhm.
was quite good, ma'am. It was very good.
Okay, so you have done your law degree from which university?
Ma'am, I've done my law degree from Utkal University from Odisha. The college
Odisha.
is Madhusudan Law College.
Mm-hmm.
So, after that, I graduated in the year 2020,
Mm-hmm.
and I was going I joined this when in the month of November I joined the IPTI IP course. So, at that time I was wondering what to do because as a law student we have options of litigation and judiciary, and I do not want to join those two. I had no preference for that. So I was wondering what to do. Then I came across IP. IP was a subject in my law school, but it was not that depth, ma'am. You used to taught that the process and all. It was just for examination basis. But yes, now I feel IP interesting, and
Mm-hmm.
hopefully, let's see. I'm going to start my career with IP.
Mhm. So Barun, so tell me something about days and nights which were struggling, where you were struggling because you graduated in 2020. It's almost like 1 year. Will be 1 year
Yes, ma'am.
soon.
Yeah, ma'am.
So I understand there are nights where you wonder, where you get confused, where you struggle. So tell me about how this struggling came to an end when you finally have an offer in your hand. So I want to learn something about your experience.
Yeah, ma'am. Yes, I was struggling. I was in really confused, like what to do,
Hmm.
because litigation. I always feel litigation. I can't do litigation like that field. I can't enter that field, and the other option was always judiciary.
Hmm.
And there is so much competition in judiciary for less few seats, and I always wanted corporate, but coming from a traditional law college, it's really difficult for students of traditional law college to get into corporates. But I thought, no, let's give a try. I will try my best. And before that, I've also applied for many interviews. I used to go for internships and all. I used to apply that, but I never get any positive response.
Mhm.
But still, then I kept on trying, ma'am. And as you said that when I joined this course, you said that no, keep on trying, try from your end every day. It's not that in one night everything can be done.
Yeah.
So, so I guess on from January, I think things started falling in my plate. I'd say. So, so finally, so this happened, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me, you had your law degree and you studied also law with us, which is IP.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how do you differentiate that what is missing in a law education and legal education, and when you do a professional course like this, what is the difference, mark difference? Can you see something or tell
Yes,
our
ma'am,
audience?
very much. Actually, I'd say one thing that traditional law colleges should follow is actually like the traditional law colleges basically more focused on traditional laws. It just revolves around constitution, the CPC, CRPC. They're not much focused on IP or let's say arbitration, anything, ma'am, company
Hmm.
law. They're not much focused on that. Their only main aim is that you just take a degree and go for litigation,
Hmm.
but they have to see a broader part also. There are many opportunities outside even of that. So
Hmm.
that's the main problem which I guess the traditional law colleges should work. And if any students from traditional law college, I would suggest that if you really don't want to go for litigation, then sure, go for all these subjects like IP. Like it's a blooming industry. You have much chance in it. So go for that. Like do like professional course like this. It's better. Like don't stick to those traditional laws.
So you are saying you didn't wanted to go into litigation, you didn't want to go into judiciary, and you wanted to enter into corporate, and that's what you're going to do in like few days.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
joining the company. So your
Yes, ma'am.
parents must be really, really proud of you today.
Yes, ma'am. They're proud. They're happy. Like I haven't conveyed this to my father. Like
Okay.
he'll be back tonight. I'll say him that yes, that these things
Okay.
happened when I was interviewing. Like I was giving it a secret actually. Like okay, let's see
Okay.
when the result comes. I will convey them. So
Okay. Okay. So your father still will get surprised tonight.
yeah.
Okay, I hope he'll be super proud of you. So tell me, Varun, so when you were entering into this course, when you came to know about this course, so uh, were there some apprehensions attached to your decision that whether you should invest your money and time? There's the investment of money as well as time. So was it a difficult decision for you, and how you gain confidence? Okay, this is the best thing which I should do.
Uh, Actually, ma'am, like I said, like I only had that narrow concept. I was only revolving around those laws.
Hmm.
So when I came across this, like I attended your webinar. Like it was very short, like 1 hour webinar.
Hmm.
So like it was, I would say, like thanks to you, ma'am. It was really catchy. Like then I know I have studied, but I never knew that there are so much opportunities because I've never moved out of those small shell.
Mhm.
So when I looked at it, like I was like, no, like this is a chance. This is a chance. I should invest. Like if you wanna achieve something, you have to invest money. You have to invest time. So
Mhm.
like no, like if I want a career in this, then I have to do it. I have to go for it. Like I can't be in a two state of mind.
Yes, absolutely, absolutely. Can't agree more with that. Great, great, great. Awesome. And Barun, I'm so proud of you. I've seen you struggling all the days I've seen you in my live classes. I have seen you studying with your sometimes hand on your head. I totally can understand whole your journey. And I'm so very proud of you today because I was wishing since last 4 days when you were interviewing that Barun should get praise. He's a very talented kid. So very, very congratulations. We here at Delhi, whole our team is so very proud and happy for you that you are able, you're just starting your new journey into corporate world.
Yes, ma'am.
Great. So
Thank you.
Barun, what are your plans like 2 or 3 down the line? What are you thinking now?
Ma'am, like to be honest, the first year, like I wanna learn and learn. To be honest,
Hmm.
like now enough of theoretical knowledge. I
Yeah.
need some practical experiences. So my first year is this. Like yes, I wanna grow in this field. Like once I get a very good grasp on it, I would understand things of practical knowledge. So yes, ma'am, I will look for more opportunities. I will see. I will try to explore every corner of it.
Great, 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 Barun. Awesome. So I'm so very proud of you. And there's a one special gift we want to give to you today. That
Yes, ma'am.
in the next, let's say 1 year down the line, because people who like law students specifically who enter into this field,
Yes,
their
ma'am.
next path is maybe around 2 years or 3 years down the line that you start your own law practice specializing in IP. So
Yes,
we
ma'am.
do conduct special classes that if you want to start your own law firm or own practice where you want to get clients as an independent consultant, then how
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can do that. So you will gain access to all these classes. You are with us, and
Yes, ma'am.
maybe around 2 years 3 years down the line, who knows, you may start up your own firm. And this is how I see you now. I can
Yes,
see a
ma'am.
lot of potential. I can see that you are like sharp minded lawyer. I can totally see it through you. So
Thank you so much, ma'am.
and we really wish you all the very best and all the happiness to you and to your family from our side.
Thank you so much, ma'am, and thanks to you for all the guidance and everything, ma'am. You really helped me. Like I was really clueless till November. I would say like till November, January. It's been only 3 to 4 months. Like you really made that path easy. Like I was focused. Like no, let things all that things keep aside and let's focus on one thing because law is such a vast field. I have to concentrate on one. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you to all your hard work. Bye. All right, it was no nice talking to you and all the very best for your future.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Right, bye.
Bye.